Yeah, at the start of this game.
Munro winds into this one over mid-wicket. And Roshan can just chop out and get that one over the boundary rope.
Sure, umpires are just... That's downwind. Munro got enough of a piece of it. I think he has. I think that might be the first hero maximum of the innings. Wicket.
Bowled him! Massive wicket. Tanvir loves it.
But it's an El Dorado celebration. Look at the passion, the desire. They won this win back. The Warriors gets his man. He's gambled a hero maximum and then gets Colin Munro for 11 of just 8 deliveries. It's 18 for 2.
We'll let Roshan go. We appreciate his time. Just came back off the deck and cleared Munro up completely.
Yeah, it was late movement. It was severe movement. Again, I wonder whether that breeze has had anything to do with it. Tanvir does naturally.